Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I did some beach combing. I went all along this very long beach, right across down there. I'm showing you. It's a very long beach, and recently there was a massive cyclone, and I'll show you guys all the stuff I found. So we found some plastic, found a ball, some tubes, found 2 pairs of goggles, found some spray with the stuff still inside. I found this hat. I also found a vape, and it still has stuff inside. I found 2 lighters as well. So that's what I found today. Okay. Okay. What is it? Just a second.